I don't know what that means, man, but I really thought that was funny, you know?
I don't know what it meant either, but it was quick. Sometimes when it's quick, it doesn't need to make sense.
You know what? Why don't we just, you know what? I think it's time to play a game, you know?
Okay.
Speaking it quick. I'm gonna make a noise, then you're gonna make a noise.
Okay.
So make a noise, make a noise. I'll make a noise, and then you make a noise, you know? Like,
There's a juxtaposition of incongruity. That's the term they call it. Juxtaposition of incongruity.
Spirit, you're a divine goddess of a dot. Did you know that
I was studying the underlying mechanism that governs the fundamental nature of humor, primarily comedy, you know.
Merging of the incompatible. Merging of the incompatible. Taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and finding a single common denominator they share.
Stand-up comedy, and I got into the subfields or subsets of linguistics, phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics.